How does Value Creed empower global teams while fostering a strong internal culture?
I believe culture is built from within. So we invest a lot in our team. Value Create being a service industry, we have to make sure that our people are our greatest asset. And we do a lot of initiatives. One of the initiatives is the Learn Smart career program, where we make sure that all the levels of people like juniors from junior to lateral, they have the roadmap to learning, and we have to make sure that the vision and mission of the company it flows from top to bottom. So all the leaders and executives of the company, they make sure that it is the values and mission, everything is passed on to the bottom approach. And that's how we make sure that the culture is flowing and everybody is following the same thing.
How are you addressing the evolving expectations of a younger, more global workforce?
I think that's a blazing question which is in the industry right now. Everybody is struggling to manage the global workforce, which is a very younger workforce. We have certain advantage on that because we have been hiring a lot of junior folks from different colleges, and when they come in, they bring a new approach and they help us to understand what exactly we are lacking or what new we can do. So we have started a lot of new initiatives. One of the initiative is Workation, which is something that helps you build your work-life balance. You can go on a vacation, plus you can work from the apartments or anything that we have set up in different locations. So I think that approach only came when we understood something from the young generation. They gave us the idea. So the open culture and the platform to speak about it and to talk to us, I think that has been giving us a lot of confidence, and that's how we are managing it.